Hey guys, today I'm start to the second lecture installation distributed architecture. So we can create one sub part of the in lecture 2.1 checkpoint deployment options. There is a two type of installation in checkpoint. One is a standalone deployment and second is a distributed deployment. We can create one lab in distributed deployment. And second is a 2.2 is a create virtual machine in VMware and connectivity. Virtual machine how to create a hardware in VMware and how to the connectivity is the firewall as well as your smart dashboard management server and your LAN PC. So we can discuss to here as a connectivity and then lecture number 2.3 as a discuss IP address and interfaces means we can have firewall IP address is four interface actually here in inside LAN. One is outside DMZ zone and one more is here in synchronization interface like this. We can add in next lecture. So this is a synchronization interface. So we can add interfaces and IP address as well as which IP address connected to the firewall, which IP address going to the outside. So we can discuss to the in next lecture to find third. 2.4 is installation security management server on Gaia open servers. Once we can create one hardware in the management 001 and then we can installation R80.10 in Gaia OS. So again I'm create to the two virtual firewalls F001 and F002. So we can installation in there R80.10 in a security gateway as a firewall and how to connectivity. So that's how we can create to the here. So let's start to discuss to the standalone deployment. Standalone deployment is the security management server and security gateway are installed on the same appliance. Means here is a one device. There is a standalone deployment here. Means management server as well you are same and as well as your firewall as a same appliance. Means we can install it in on self like that switch and you have in a, previously in a Cisco firewall as well as in other firewall they are pushing the policy in self but in a checkpoint is created all those policy and management server and installation the firewalls. So previously we can discuss already in how to installation what exactly work management server and how to work in your firewalls. Okay, the smart dashboard and smart console applications UI clients manage to the security management server and security gateway and connect to the security management server via smart console. Security management server authenticate to the connection when you log into the first times means who is log into the in my management server as well and who can we can install the policy in manage firewall. So means only simple things standalone deployment means security management server and say the security gateway are the installations same appliance. Nothing. Previously already I am discussed to the about this part and this one is a distributed deployment. Okay. Security management server and security gateway are installed on the different appliance. Means here is management server. We can create all rules, all policy and management server. Then he can installation in our firewall here like that. One more firewall is in ISP here. So, but this is a management server synchronization already in established SIG communication. About SIG we can discuss to later. So like this installation the apply in different machines. And one more here is a one interface ETH something and 0, and here is ETH 1 also. So here is smart dashboard installation, and security management server is this one. Both option installation in Gaia OS, also management server, and also your firewall is the same process for the installation. Then we can discuss to the right now this lecture. So guys, I hope understand to the what is the exactly difference in standalone. Standalone means security management server and the security gateway installation the same appliance, and distributed deployments means security management server and security gateway are installation different appliance. Means here is the one combined applications security management server and as well as your firewall is the same appliance, and next distributed deployments in different appliance. So we can discuss to the, so accordingly I'm creating the one lab. This lab is our distributed architecture. Means this is your smart dashboard. So we can access to the management server via smart dashboard. So once I create access to the smart dashboard and management server, so and we create to the some rule and policy here, and then push the policy this one. I'm apply rules in policy installation this way, like this. We can create three rules here, three policies we can create here, and installation here. So and this PC is a LAN PC. So this lab is our distributed labs. So we can discuss to later. Next lecture is create virtual machine in VMware. So thanks guys.